Hello, Empowering Communities Project community. I'm just going to have a quick look at the charts on the trades we just took. So I'll start with GBP NZD. So that's the British pound and the New Zealand dollar. We are selling the British pound and buying the New Zealand dollar. So if we have a look at the daily chart, we can see that this area is a resistance area, which means that currency has come up and hit that area and bounced off. But what we're trading here is called a retest. So you can see previously where the currency's come up and bounced off, and then it's come right down, come back to the top, come up further and bounce off quite a few times here. It looks like what we call a double head. So what we are essentially trading here is the retest, and I'll show you what I mean when I go to the weekly chart. So if we have a look at the weekly chart and we go right back in time, we can see that the currency is actually coming back up again. So it's hit a spot here and bounced down and then come up to the top. So what currency usually does is like a ball, as I said, it will come back and test this zone. So we are trading the retest. Up here is our stop loss, our take profit 1, 2, and 3. So let's now have a little look at the Euro USD. Euro USD. Have a little open up of the chart. And we are taking that for a sell, which means we're selling the euro and we're buying the US dollar. And what I did notice, let's go to a lower time frame on this chart, is there is a bit of a channel forming here. So let's mark that up with a trend line. I'm on my phone, so it's hard to get it exact, but we've got a bit of a price channel happening in here, and you can see that that yellow line is a point of resistance. So we've hit that resistance level, and that's where we've put our stop loss, just above that resistance level, and we're bouncing off and going to waters where we've already been. So that is the Euro USD on the daily chart. Now let's have a look at the Australian and the Swiss. So we are selling the Australian dollar and we are buying the Swiss franc. And what I can tell from looking at this, excuse my messy chart, I do trade this pair, is that we are in a little bit of a channel again on the down, and we are just going to retest a spot we've already been to on this trade. So here is our stop loss, our take profit 1, our take profit 2, and our take profit 3.